How to find saved posts on LinkedIn. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the LinkedIn application on your phone. You will then be brought to the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view and explore posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Now, tap on Saved Posts as shown. You can view all your saved posts and articles on LinkedIn over here. Tap on any to view them. If you want to unsave this post, then go over to the top right corner of the post and tap on the three dots. Here, tap on Unsave. You have now successfully unsaved this post. You can repeat this to unsave other posts on LinkedIn as well. Following these steps, you can easily find saved posts on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.